Hello Huskies, welcome to Physics 2. My name is Mr. Olson, and in this video we're going to go through our syllabus for the class. Now I trust that you can read the syllabus just fine. What I want to do is just go through and highlight some things that I think will help you be successful in this class. We're going to start with how best to contact me. I'm here and I'm available for you as much as I possibly can be. And the best way to get in contact with me is my email address right there, jolson@portageps.org. But if you can't get in contact with me, I have a couple of things set up that will help you as well. The first is the website, the URL for which is right here. I would like you to visit that early and just take a look and see what's there. You're going to find homework packets, you're going to find practice tests, you're going to find helpful videos. I try and put a lot of resources here that you can look at. Another way I'll be communicating with you is through our Google Classroom, but we'll talk about that in class. Next, what you're going to need every day in class. The textbook will be there and available to you. We'll use it rarely though. Most of our work is going to be done through our homework packets. So it's important that you have a notebook, a folder, a binder, somewhere to keep those homework packets. I strongly suggest a 3-ring binder. I 3-hole punch everything that I possibly can. And so that's going to help you keep organized. This is something I really struggle with, so I really work hard to make sure it's a little easier for you. In your assignment notebook, this is going to be true in most of your classes, I believe. You're going to want to have that. If you don't have that, you won't be able to have any passes to go out in the hall. So make sure you bring that every day. Our classroom expectations are pretty straightforward. This is a Pride classroom. I expect you guys to be showing your Husky Pride each and every day, as I hope that you expect me to show my Husky Pride every day. We're going to also talk a lot more about this in class. Electronic devices, this is always a tough one. This is a technology-friendly classroom. We will be using your phones to help with your education, but there is a time and a place. If you're unsure if this is a good time to be using your cell phone, please ask. Say, Mr. Olson, can I check my email? Can I watch this video? If you're on task and you have everything done, the answer's probably going to be yes, but ask first. Homework. You're not going to have much. The data shows that homework does not help with student achievement, so there's not going to be much homework. But when I assign it, it's for a purpose, so make sure that you do it. Most of your homework is going to be in a homework packet. That's going to be turned in at the end of every unit. Make sure that you turn that in on time. If you don't, there's going to be a 10% penalty. I do accept late work because I want you to do it rather than not do it. So I accept late work with only a 10% penalty. Make sure you do any homework that's assigned. Attendance B here, pretty standard. Grading for this class. 5% of your grade is going to be based on your homework and participation. This is going to be those homework packets. This is going to be any discussions we have, anything like that. A much larger percentage of your grade is going to be based on your labs and quizzes. We are going to have 4 large labs throughout the course of this semester, and at least 1 to 2 quizzes a week. That's going to make up 45% of your grade. 50% of your grade is from your tests. This is to help prepare us for college. There's a lot greater emphasis on tests rather than homework and quizzes. So we're getting ready to deal with those high stakes tests. Homework, quizzes, labs, all of that can be redone as many times as you want until you get it perfect. These are all situations where we're practicing our abilities, practicing our skills. The test, however, cannot be retaken. This is when you should learn it by. So keep that in mind. In Skyward, you're going to see quite a few codes. Like I said, you can retake quizzes and redo labs. So we're going to see things like FA with your original score in those parentheses. FA stands for first attempt. This is saying the first time you took a quiz, this was the score you got. The second time you took a quiz, this was the score you got. If you need a 3rd attempt, 4th attempt, whatever you need, we'll put it in there so we can keep track of how you're improving. If you redo a lab, we can show that as well. We're going to say redo. In the parentheses will be your original score, and your higher score will go in the grade book. We always take the highest score. You can never hurt yourself by redoing something. And finally, here at the bottom, we have the standard grading scale for Portage. This is going to be the same in all your classes. There's nothing new. And that's the syllabus for this class. Please Let me know if you have any questions. If there's anything that you don't understand, need clarification on, I'm happy to help you. Thank you.